Wire Cut EDM MG Series. Our new standard model, built on the advanced technology of our flagship models. Having the base of MG Series, our MGR Series has higher machining performance. MG Series enables everyone to complement human technology and perform high-accuracy machining. Reproduction of experts' skills and know-how. Easy for everyone to perform high-quality machining. Operators' experience and skills which were essential at conventional machining sites. MG Series reproduces expert techniques with nozzle-away control and corner control using Mitsubishi Electric's AI MySart functions. Beginners can also perform high-quality machining. With MySart nozzle-away control, AI detects changes in material thickness and nozzle distance, ensuring stable machining across a wide range of materials and specifications. With MySart corner control, AI delivers optimal control even for complex continuous corners and micro-corners smaller than the wire diameter. It reduces unmachined areas, deformation, and improves shape accuracy. With one-push technology, a single switch automatically converts your program into MySart machining conditions. It also sets the number of cuts and offset changes instantly with just one push. Our ultra-fine finish power supply Ultra FS improves surface quality in the ultra-fine finishing area, reducing machining marks and delivering high accuracy. MG Series is designed for non-stop performance, significantly reducing downtime. Previously, automatic wire threading required frequent maintenance. Now, with a newly developed wire feeding unit and automatic wire threading retry mechanism, MG Series maintains high threading performance with far fewer maintenance cycles. Additionally, improvement of wire electrode annealing control realizes stable wire threading regardless of wire conditions. Reduce your electricity costs and environmental impact with our energy-saving green technology. With MG Series, the newly developed power-saving pump control reduces power consumption by around 20 to 30%. Sleep mode enables you to reduce power consumption while allowing quick recovery. It helps you with saving both energy and operating costs. Also, using recycled resin for some resin parts contributes to sustainability and environmental protection. With its wide range of functions, MG Series brings high-accuracy machining to every production site. Building the future of manufacturing with AI. Mitsubishi Electric Wire Cut EDM MG Series.